Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you guys a quick guide on how you can design a very simple birthday flyer. Alright, so if you are new to the channel, consider liking and subscribing if the video really helped you. Okay, so the first thing I will do is to change the color of my background. So I'll head over here and I will select a color of my choice. Alright, so the next thing I will do from here is to import the PNG photo I'll be using. So this PNG photo, just head straight to my gallery and I'll import this picture. So if you want to turn your image to a PNG form, which is a transparent format, you use Photo Room. So Photo Room is available on Play Store and it's available on Google. Alright, so I'm just trying to reduce this to very small frame. Okay, so I'll just need to increase this and I'll place it somewhere here. Alright. Okay guys, so the next thing I'll do is to quickly write the text, which is the birthday text. Alright, so I'll head over to my fonts and I will select the fonts. So let me increase this. I'll make it very alright, so I think this is good. Okay, so the next thing I'll do here is to merge the shape with this. So once I've merged this shape, I'll just increase it a bit and I'll position it somewhere here. Alright, so we just need to take this to the back. Alright, take it to the back. And then I will duplicate this. So I'll make the color of this one to be so use the black color for this. Alright, so what I will do from here is to rotate this and make it vertical, and then I'll increase it to fit the frame. Alright, I think this is good. So I just need to reduce this opacity to around 30. 30 should be great. Alright, so I'll just need to duplicate this and then I'll place it somewhere here also. Alright, so what I'm going to do next from here is to import the design element, which is the circle ring I used for this tutorial. Okay, so right now I'm just going to center this somewhere here, right at the center. Okay, so I'll head over to color and I'll make this color white, and then I'll take this to the back of the girl. So from here, I will just copy that same layer and I will bring it closer to be at the same spots with the initial one. So let me place this at the center. Okay. So I think they are on the same spot now. Alright, so what I will do next is to head to this the initial birthday test and reduce opacity. So I'll make this 80. Okay, so I'll come over here to this one on top, and then I'll head over to erase color. Okay, so what I will do is to erase the parts, to erase some parts. Okay, yeah, I'll just increase this and increase the pencil too, and then I'll erase these parts. So just carefully erase these parts. All right. Okay. So it's looking good. So click on the eraser tool again, and then I'll erase this part as well. Okay. Let me increase this. So just carefully do this. All right. So the next thing I will do here is to erase this one too. Okay, so this is looking great. So just carefully do this so you can get an accurate design. All right, so the next thing I'll do from here is to import the light effects. So I'm just going to import this. Okay, import this. So I'll go over to the filter. So I'll find the color that blends with the background. Okay. So this is looking good. Alright. So I'll take this to the back of the lady. And then I will copy it as well. I'll bring it over here. So I'll take it to the back too. So let me bring it somewhere here. Okay. Next, I will copy and I'll bring it over here. So I'll take it to the back of the lady too. So guys, don't forget to like the video if it really helped you, and also subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. And then you share it to your friends who are interested in learning how to do awesome things with your smartphone. Okay, all right. Okay, let me reduce the opacity of this one. So I'll take this to the back. I'm just going to reduce the opacity of this one. So I'll head over to opacity, and there we go. And this one too. Okay. Alright, so what I'll do from here is to save the design. So I'll click on save, and I will choose Ultra. So the next thing I'll do is to head to Snapseed. So this is Snapseed. I'm going to click on the plus icon and select a photo, which is this. And then I'm just going to pick an effect. So you can pick any effect you like. So I'm just going to go with this. Or you can pick the fine art effect or any effect of your choice. So You can also decide to edit this effect by yourself to get your desired effects. Okay, so once you're done, you just save and then export. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next round. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also share it to your friends. Thank you guys.